officer, there's one question I get asked a lot. Here in Students' Union, your officers work to represent you and your interests. It can be easy to assume we know what's best. I don't want to assume anymore, I want to know. I want to know just what you think of your education at Aberystwyth University, so that next time I'm asked what students want or think or like, I've got evidence. I need you to talk to me about your time here, good and bad, so that the student voice can be as loud, as strong and as respected as possible.
Why do only some of my lecturers give constructive feedback?
Why aren't all my module results on Blackboard?
So why do some of my learning spaces look like this? But some look like this?
I want a personal tutor who cares.
I want to develop more than reading, writing and research skills as part of my education, like public speaking or negotiation.
I want to work in silence.
But I want to work with friends. Surely students should have a say on the design of their modules.
What do you love about Aber and what do you hate? What should the university start doing and what should it stop?